Hello friends, now lemon, orange and sweet lime will clean your kitchen. But how to do this? Let's know. Lemon, orange and sweet lime are rich in vitamin C. If you want to clean your household utensils, you can use lemon, orange and sweet lime. If you need to remove tarnish from copper utensils, rub lemon with salt. This will remove the tarnish from your stove or gas stove. Additionally, you can also use lemon, orange and sweet lime to clean brass statues in your home. If the kitchen sink is very dirty, squeeze lemon into salt. Mix this mixture with soap and use it to clean the sink. This will clean the kitchen sink. Plastic utensils are also very common in the kitchen. Keeping them clean is crucial. You can also use lemon to clean them. Lemon can instantly clean oil stains from plastic and also eliminate odors. Lemon can also be used to clean curtains. It removes any stains, remove odors and brightens cloths. If you want to clean wooden or glass items in your kitchen, grind orange peels in a mixture. Then soak them in water and use them to clean the wooden and glass items. If you want to clean your kitchen slab, dry and grind sweet lime peels. Then add a little salt to make a paste. Now apply this paste to your kitchen slab and clean it. This will completely clean the kitchen slab. Fill a bowl with orange peels and water. Place this bowl in the microwave and heat it on high heat for 2 minutes. Turn off the microwave and let it sit for the 2 more minutes. Then wipe the inside with a cloth. This will leave the microwave clean and fragrant. Collect orange peels in jar. Pour white vinegar over the peels until they are covered. Cover the jar and store it in a dark place for 2 weeks. The jar shaking every other day. Strain the vinegar into spray bottle. Clean the kitchen counter and stove tops with this mixture. Put a few orange peels and a handful of ice in the disposal. Start tap water and run the disposal. This will break up any dirt stuck to the disposal blades. To get such a more kitchen cleaning tips and tricks at home, like the video and subscribe to the channel.